Hello guys, hope so you are doing good. In this video I will show you how to fix keep crashing in Moto G77. First of all, restart device. Swipe down, open quick setting panel, click on power off icon, click on restart. After click on restart, restart your device. Now go back. After that, update apps. Open Play Store. Now in Play Store, click on your profile icon, scroll down, click on manage apps and device. Scroll down, click on updates available, and now here you will see update app. Select app that you want to update. After selecting app, click on update. After click on update, selected app will be update from your phone. And if you want to update all app, then click on update all. After click on update all app will be update from your phone. Now go back. After that, software update. Open setting. Scroll down, click on system updates. Scroll down, click on check for updates and click on update. After click on update, your phone software will be updated from your phone. Now go back. After that, reset all setting. Again open setting, scroll down, click on system, scroll down, click on reset options, scroll down, click on reset device settings, and again click on reset device setting. After click on reset device setting, all setting will be reset from your phone. Now go back. After that, factory reset. Again open setting, scroll down, again click on system, scroll down, click on reset options, scroll down, click on erase all data factory reset, and click on erase all data. After click on erase all data, your music, photo, video will be deleted from your phone. This is how you can fix keep crashing in Moto G77. I hope you like this video and thanks for watching this video.